How to recover corrupted files. Try SysTools Archive Recovery Tool. Let's discuss key features first. Recover corrupted archives. Repair ZIP, RAR, TAR, 7Z, and more with full data recovery.
Batch file recovery. Add and restore multiple archive files at once.
Preserve structure. Maintains original folder hierarchy and data integrity. Preserve structure. Maintains original folder hierarchy and data integrity. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Archive Recovery Tool. Now, click on the first link. Then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools Archive Recovery Software on your system. First, let's check the corrupted file. Here we have a WinRAR file containing PDF data that we need to recover. Now, let's begin. Open the software. This is the interface of the SysTools Archive Recovery Tool. On the top left, click the Add File button and select the corrupted file you want to recover. After selecting, click the Open button. Now, at the bottom right, click Next to continue. In the Destination Path section, you can choose where to save the recovered files. The current path is displayed there, and you can change it anytime by clicking the Change button on the right. Below that, you'll find two options. The first is Extract, which recovers and extracts the WinRAR file at the same time. And the second is Save, which simply saves and exports the recovered file without extracting it. We'll proceed with the Extract option. Once the export process is complete, click OK. Below, you can see the report details. The total file count shows 11. The success count is 11, and the failed count is 0. This means all the PDF files have been successfully recovered. Now, let's open the exported folder. The software has also generated a detailed report of the recovery process, which you can review for analysis. Now let's open the folder and check the recovered data. Next, open the PDF file. As you can see, it has been successfully recovered. This is how you can recover corrupted archive files by following the steps and using Archive Recovery Tool. Log on to the product page for more details to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.